Today I visited the South African Airways Museum in Germiston, and honestly, it is a dream for anyone who loves aviation. There are two Boeing 747s, also known as Queen of the Skies, absolute giants of our history. The one aircraft isn't just any 747, it is actually the one that flew over the 1995 Rugby World Cup final. Standing next to it, you can really feel the history. The museum is full of incredible old planes, each with its own story, from classic prop planes to the iconic 747s. It's like stepping back in time. If you're ever in Gauteng and you love planes, or even if you just want to see something different, this place is worth a stop. What an awesome experience. See you on the next adventure. Lazy Traveller out.